Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. Today we are going to learn exercise 3.4 of chapter 3 from data handling. Question number 1. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen, but not certain. First subdivision. You are older today than yesterday. The answer for this is you are older today than yesterday is true, right? It is certain. It is certain thing. It's a sure thing happened. Second subdivision. A tossed coin will land heads up. It can happen but not certain. If you toss a coin, it may be heads up or may be tails up, right? So it can happen but not certain. Second subdivision belongs to this type. Now third subdivision. A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. Is there any possibility to get 8 in dice? How many dots in dice? From 1 to 6 only. So 8 is not possible. It is impossible. So this event cannot happen. So it is an impossible event. Fourth subdivision. The next traffic light seen will be green. It can happen but not certain. It may be green or may be orange or may be red. Fifth subdivision. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. It can happen but not certain here also. Because a weatherman can tell tomorrow maybe it's may be cloudy, it may be rainy, whatever. But it is not certain again. It depends upon the wind, everything. So it may change, weather may change accordingly, right? So tomorrow will be a cloudy day is an event which can happen but not certain. Second subdivision, there are 6 marbles in a box with the numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. First subdivision, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? Second subdivision, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? The sample space, that means marbles marked 1 to 6. So the sample space means all the possible outcomes. So these are all possible, right? You can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 marbles are there. Each marble is marked on each of the numbers on it, right? So this is this sample space for the marbles. Now the probability, what is probability? Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcome. So the question is, first question is probability of drawing a marble with the number 2. What is the probability for that? See, number of favorable outcomes. So how many favors are there? If you are going to pick one means how many favorable 2s are there? Only one, right? So number of favorable outcome here is 1 divided by total number of outcome. How many total number of outcomes? 6. From 1 to 6, 6 marbles. So divided by 6, 1 by 6. So probability of drawing a marble with the number 2 is 1 by 6. Similarly, probability of drawing a marble with the number 5. How many favorable outcomes are there for getting 5? How many 5s are there? Only 1. So it is the only favorable thing we have. So this is again 1. Total number of outcome is 6. So again here probability of getting 5 is 1 by 6. Third question, a coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? So third question is the probability using coins, right? Now in a coin, what are the things are there? Head and tail. One side head, another side is tail. So sample space is all the possible outcomes. So head, also tail, we marked here. These are all possible outcomes. Now the question is, which team you will start? Now the question is, what is the probability your team will start? So what's the probability? You may choose head or you may choose tail for your team to start. So if you choose H, that means probability of getting head. What is the probability? How many heads possible? How many heads favorable in from the sample space? Only 1. How many total number of outcome is 2. If you want probability of getting tail, then only your team will start means what is the probability of getting tail? So here in sample space, favorable for tail is only one tail is possible. So 1 divided by 2. So in both cases, if you want H means it is 1 by 2. If you want a tail means it is also probability. That means chance of getting that number is 1, that a tail or head is 1 by 2. So anyways, if you are going to start a game using coin means you will toss your coin. It may land up with heads up or tails up, right? So only head or only tail is possible. So what is the probability of a head or tail? In both cases it is 1 by 2 alone. So the probability of your team will start is 1 by 2. This is the probability of any team. Any team will start means it is 1 by 2 alone. Thank you.